Okay. Hey, hi everyone. Hello, Workato community. So here comes the day 4 of 8 days of challenge. So meet our Genie, a SupportXM Genie, a Workato agent that analyzes Zoho Dex tickets and send you an email summary instantly. So let's see how it works. So the problem which came into my mind, right? So you know that support managers waste hours pulling ticket reports manually, exporting data, building spreadsheets, and answering leadership questions. And this is where support xm come, where it fixes this, right? You ask a question, get insights delivered to your inbox. Okay, so let me show you how actually I build it. So this is a support xm. So I've created a Genie and I've named it at SupportXM, and this is the purpose. So wherein I showcased it that yeah, this is your job description, what is the skill. So I have created one skill also which will retrieve all the support tickets from Zoho Dex, and it will filter it by department ID, which we will pass it in the chat interface. We do have the knowledge base also, wherein I have provided the Zoho Dex API knowledge base and an app events which will trigger take the real time events from Zoho. Okay, so let me show you the recipe and the skills. Okay, so this is a recipe. So I have created the recipe here. I'm calling the function, I'm doing an API call, then passing those JSON document, and then executing a Ruby code and doing the analysis stuff. And also, and this is the skill which has been added in the Genie. So this is active and this is calling my very first recipe. Okay. So let me quickly go to Workato Go. And so this is a chat interface for a Genie. I have placed it there. So we can also place it in Microsoft Teams and all. So let me go to Genie. So you can see that support XM is here to help you answer the questions on the tickets, right? So let me chat with support XM, and I want to do the analysis for department, which is, let me give the department ID also, right? So let me take some other department. So okay, so so for HR, what is the department ID? So this is the department ID for HR. Let me take the department ID, and this is what I am providing. You need to do the depart analysis for this particular department ID. So you can see that support XM is quickly starts working, right? It give the action that yeah, you need to work on which particular ticket, and it is asking you for the email address. Yeah, these were the two parameters which I have passed while creating that skill. So I want that email to send out to which email ID. So this is what it is. Okay, so it quickly started the very first skill which I have created, and then it will do the analysis and send you the analysis summary. Here also it will send an email to the my email ID. Okay, so it will take seconds or so. Let's see how it is coming out to be. Maybe I already started the function. Okay, so this is the analysis. Support analysis ticket department for department ID this. Matrix is included are this, and check email as a full report has been sent here. Okay. Okay, so let me go to email and quickly see how the analysis is coming out to be. Yeah, so this is the quick analysis report for the department, and these are the tickets which are open, what are the detailed action, what are the priority distribution, what are the top 10 categories, how many tickets are raised with particular channel, right? Who are the top 10 requesters and all. Okay, okay, stay tuned. Thank you.